The Abib Hyaluronic Boom. Crème water tube honestly feels like one of those moisturizers that quietly does its job well without making crazy promises. The texture is a lightweight water cream that spreads easily and gives an instant cooling, fresh feeling on the skin. It's made mainly for hydration and skin barrier care, and you can feel that especially if your skin is dehydrated, irritated, or tight from weather, sunscreen, or overexfoliation. It leaves the skin soft, plump, and healthy looking without a greasy finish, which is why many people with combination or oily skin enjoy it. In humid weather, it feels comfortable under sunscreen and makeup, but people with very dry skin may still need a thicker cream at night or during winter. The ingredient list is actually impressive for a calming moisturizer. It contains sodium hyaluronate and other hydrating ingredients to pull moisture into the skin, while ceramide NP helps repair and strengthen the skin barrier. Panthenol and allantoin help soothe redness and sensitivity, and ectoin protects the skin from environmental stress and dryness. Trehalose and soluble collagen also help the skin stay smooth and hydrated longer. The formula focuses more on long-lasting hydration and barrier support, rather than brightening or anti-aging effects. For usage, apply a moderate amount after serum on clean skin, morning and night. It works best as the final moisturizing step before sunscreen during the day. If you have oily or combination skin, it can easily work as your main moisturizer. For dry skin, layering it over a hydrating serum or using a richer cream on top at night gives better results. Sensitive skin users should still patch test first, because a few people report mild stinging when their barrier is already damaged. Overall, it's a genuinely good Korean moisturizer for people who want calm, hydrated, healthy-looking skin without heaviness. The biggest downside is the price and slightly inconvenient aluminum tube packaging, but the formula itself feels high quality and skin-friendly.